got here earlier, as you can see, it's done got even worse. And so you can't even really see. But it's flaky stuff. It's not heavy stuff. Well, it is heavy, but it's flaky. See this? It's flaky stuff. It's actually even higher. So y'all see this? Right now we're in the middle of a 2016 historic snow blizzard. So this one's actually topping, for Dulles, this is actually topping the top 5, and for Reagan National it's on the top 10 right now. So this is what's going on. If you look around, I can only go so far, but the cars are pretty much covered, and they're going to really be completely covered. Even though we had some people to drive out this way and try to do some snow, but it just blocked the cars back in, pretty much. So y'all see, we got one man out here trying to some snow. And even he got to clean his machine off just so he can go back out and try to do it again. So it's not cool. But it's pretty. That's for sure. Alright folks, y'all see what's going on. You can actually hear it. It's like a peace, it's a calm, but you hear the wind in it and everything. So the blizzard is here. Actually, if I walk up the sidewalk, you'll see even more. And the more that they clean up, the more snow falls, so it's just crazy. And as you can see, my car is parked over, so it wouldn't be too much in the front, but I can't even see it no more. So, oh well. Check this out. See this here? So if you live on the bottom floor, don't open your window. That's all I can say. Don't open your window. And plus our hedges are always covered up as well. I was debating whether to stay here at the apartment or go home to my house. But I think I might have made the right choice and stayed here, because ain't no way in hell trying to dig up all that snow where I live at. Nope. So I think I did good staying here at the apartment. Alright folks, it's your girl Miss Cassie. I gotta get back in. It's blowing big time. I'll let y'all later. Bye.